flying. That's because he kept cutting shortcuts.
So imagine with the real touring car, we're flying like 400.
Yeah, so these things are on flying on the back.
All right. Leonard, please get the brace.
Yeah. Lots of speed. Yeah. It was good. I had to do a couple laps. Yeah. So I did on this one. Yeah. I didn't see you. And then I saw Barry. He was very better. I figured you must have done something else. I did better than just too long. Something happened. It was hard.
Okay, I'll mark, so I'll help you
Good.
guys. That was last.
If anything, I can bring in my car.
Yeah.
Nice. I like it. I really like it. The car was good.
All right.
Are you going to run again?
Please get you guys back on the line. Thank you.
I was running 40 minutes. And 44.96. And I was
All right. Thank you guys.
yeah.
Leonard.
Yeah,
I'm the opposite.
so today, because I noticed my wheel was
Yeah.
so I went back to 44 and I'm running 48.
Brace.
I'm still getting
Yeah.
I didn't
Beer.
You could put somewhere, like you might try a little bit somewhere in between on the timing too. Like that's a big drop going from 48 down to 44. Like I look like
Please get one more time.
and I'm going 47 and 47 right now. 47 or 48.
All right. Let's line up everybody's beer.
hard because
All the way to the
I
top.
noticed the traction started to pick up.
Forward and Leonard.
Yesterday.
Please get the brace.
Oh, the traction was right.
All right. What's your turn? You guys are ready. Just fly.
I think next week we can have the one mistake, one out of wider, and now
Whoa!
Yeah, we need more people.
Where are you going there, Flex?
Yeah, op aan hè. Kun je met je buiten Oh, easy enough. Whoever's still here can see at least. Oh!
We are still leading by 3 seconds over Nathan. Wow.
Ones on any of these things.
All right, 20 seconds left. We are going to do some trophy pictures before we start our modified race. All right, you guys are on up. Good job.
You're doing USGT first? All
Yeah,
right.
I decided to make you wait.
How come I'm so low? Where's USGT? Taking pictures.
This is USGT.
I heard protest.